Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia T21. In this video I'll show you how to enter File Manager. In the beginning, let's enter App Drawer and search for Files app. Enter Files by Google, continue, and as you can see, thanks to this app you've got access to 3 categories: Clean, where you can clean junk files; Browse, where you can browse the files on your tab, located in different categories like downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and other apps, and also you can go to favorites, save folder and internal storage. And share, thanks to which you can send and receive files quickly. If you go to menu, you've got access to trash, settings and help and feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.